Good afternoon, people. I'm here to document my journey again. So it's been 2 weeks since I started learning machine learning, and this is the second week. I learned a lot. Actually, this week I focused on NumPy, that's numerical Python. I was learning a lot, arrays and calculations and mathematics and all that. So here's a rundown of what I learned this week. I learned that NumPy is the foundation for numerical computing in Python. It provides multi-dimensional arrays for efficient numerical operations. It supports vectorized operations, yes. It includes mathematical functions, linear algebra, random number classification, and the likes. And then I learned array creation, how to create arrays in NumPy, array operations, a sum, mean, median, standard deviation, and the likes. I learned indexing and slicing in NumPy. And indexing allows you to access specific elements in an array, while slicing allows you to extract a sub-array using a syntax. Yes, and I learned linear algebra, reshaping and combining arrays. I learned linear algebra, reshaping and combining arrays, that is using the concatenate function, the flatten function, and the likes. And yes, this is a rundown of what I learned this week in NumPy. It was a lot. At some point, the thing is, at some point, I got tired. At some point, it felt like the video was never going to end. I was tired. I was listening and listening. I slept and I woke up. I slept off. I woke up. I kept on sleeping and waking up. But the thing is that I woke up and I continued and I finished it. It looked as if it was going to extend past this week, but I am very happy I finished it. I kept to time.